In this lesson, we will prepare a ledger account, okay? Ledger account for Dilip. So here Dilip is a supplier, okay? We purchase goods from Dilip. So first lesson, we prepared a sales journal book. Then we prepared 3-column cash book, okay? So here in the cash book, we have Dilip related transactions, okay? So here we see January 11, okay? And we have some more transaction on the question, which we did not take here because those transactions were made on credit, okay? So confusing part for this account is many transactions are given here on the question. So you need to choose the right transaction for the right account, okay? So for your better understanding, I've taken a question from IGCSE accounting past paper. We see the question first. Shilpa is a trader. The following transactions took place in January 2021. So here we see many transactions. These transactions are not related to the Dilip account, okay? Only related transactions, Dilip related transactions we will take to prepare this account, okay? So here on the question we had some credit sales related transactions. We have taken those transactions here on the sales journal, and other all cash and bank related transactions we have taken in the cash book, okay? So now we will prepare the Dilip account. So here on the cash book we see January 11 we have Dilip, and here on the question we have January 3 bought goods on credit from Dilip. List price is $120, subject to a trade discount of 25%, okay? So 120 is a purchase price and there is a discount, trade discount actually it is 20%, okay? So this transaction will appear here in the Dilip account, but where on the debit side or on the credit side? You know, it is a traditional ledger account. Here on the debit side we have date, detail and dollar column, and same we have on the credit side. Our business is here, Shilpa. On our business account we are doing Dilip ledger, okay? Dilip account. So here we purchased goods from Dilip. It is $120. What is the journal when you purchase goods? We write purchase account to be debited and Dilip account is to be credited, okay? So here Dilip account is credited, so we will go to the credit side, okay? So let us write here the date first. 2021 January 3. So we will write here on the detail column purchase. Okay, now question is how much we should write here on the dollar column. The selling price was $120 on the question, okay? And there is a trade discount, it is 25%. So multiply by 25%. We get here $30 trade discount, okay? So we have to subtract this trade discount from the list price 120. So 120 minus 30 equal to $90, okay? So this amount will appear here on this dollar column. So many of you will write directly 120. If you write this way, it will be completely incorrect, okay? So let us write here $90, okay? So then we have here on the question January 10 return goods to Dilip. List price is $20. This goods had been purchased on 3rd of January, okay? So 3rd of January we purchased goods, and from there we returned some goods. The list price was $20, okay? So here what is the transaction, the journal entry? So here the Dilip account to be debited and purchase returns account to be credited, okay? So we are doing Dilip account, it is here debited, so we will write on the debit side, okay? So let us write here date first 2021 January 10. On the detail we will write purchase returns. Okay, now question is how much we will write here? $20? No, not at all. So we have to subtract the discount. Okay, it was 25%. Okay, so here 20 times 25% trade discount. Okay, we get here $5. Okay, so now 20 minus 5 equal to $15. This is the sales return price. Okay, so we will write here 15. Okay, great. Now we have here January 11 paid $50 to Dilip in cash. Okay, so these transactions we recorded here on the cash book. Okay, this is not purchase related transaction. This is a transaction we made in cash. Okay, so here on the cash column we wrote $50 for Dilip. Okay, so when you pay money to the supplier, what journal we make? Here the supplier Dilip account will be debited and cash account to be credited. Okay, because we paid in cash. So here again Dilip is here debited. We will come to the debit side and we will write in the detail column cash. Okay, so let us write here date January 11. On the detail column we will write cash and it is $50. Okay, so these are these three transactions we had in the questions. As I told you, the confusing part is choosing the right transactions. Okay, so here all transactions are not relevant. As we are doing Dilip account, only Dilip related transactions will be taken to prepare this account. Okay, so now what is the next step? We will now balance this account. Okay, so balancing part is not complicated. So first of all we will compare which column is greater in terms of value, debit dollar column or credit dollar column. We see obviously our credit dollar column is greater, so we will sum up on the credit column first. So here we see $90, only one amount. So we will take this amount here on the debit side, just transfer. We will write here 90. Okay, now if we subtract 50 and $15 from this 90, the total we get here $25, right? So this is our closing balance. Okay, we write closing balance as balance CD. Okay, CD stands for carried down. And what will be the date for balance CD? Well, it is the last day of the month. Okay, so we are doing for January. Last day will be here 31st. Okay, so this is not over. We need to bring down the balance. Okay, so here on the debit side we got balance CD, so we will bring down this balance on the credit side. Okay, below the total. So here the amount is 25 and we will write here balance BD brought down. And what will be the date? The first day of next month. Okay, so here it is January, next month will be February. Okay, so let us write here 2021 February 1st. So this is how we need to prepare supplier ledger.